The GeForce RTX 4090 is NVIDIA's flagship desktop GPU released in late 2022. RTX 4090 is known for its massive RAM size, a large number of cores, and high TDP. It can consume more than 450 watts at full load, which is why most people who buy an RTX 4090 also buy a large-sized case for efficient heat dissipation. We have tested and reviewed the latest PC cases, and below are the top recommended ones for GeForce RTX 4090. In this video, we discuss the 5 best PC cases for RTX 4090 GUP. After watching the video you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower RTX Desktop Case. This PC case is currently the best PC case for GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. Maximize your next custom PC build with the black iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower Desktop Case from Corsair. With support for eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, this full tower RGB case features 6 3.5 inches drive bays and 3 2.5 inches drive bays. Additionally, you can mount 3 2.5 inches SSDs behind the motherboard tray. 8 horizontal expansion slots are available, along with 3 vertical expansion slots, which allow you to mount a GPU vertically in the case. Graphics cards are supported up to 17.7 inches in length, and this case supports CPU coolers up to 7.4 inches in height. SUS are mounted at the bottom of the case behind a shroud and cable management channel and can measure up to 8.8 inches in length. Number 2. Lian Li O11 Dynamic XL Full Tower Case. The O11 Dynamic XL Full Tower Case has a stylish design with tempered glass front and side panels that allow people to see the beauty of your build, accented by the built-in ASUS ROG Aura Sync compatible addressable RGB light strip. This full tower aluminum case features 8 full-size expansion slots alongside modular trays for installing cooling fans or up to 6 2.5 inches drives. There's also a 4-bay hot swappable 3.5 inches drive cage that can be used to house 2 additional SUS and 3 additional fan drive mounts on the bottom. Filtered air intakes are located on the top, the side panel, and the bottom of the case, supporting up to 2 140mm fans, 3 120mm fans, and 2 140mm fans respectively, with a 120mm fan mount on the rear. Or, you can install 360mm radiators on the top, side, and bottom for liquid cooling. Number 3. Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo Mid-Tower Case. Make your custom-built PC the centerpiece of your gaming space with the black Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo Mid-Tower Case. Combining performance and aesthetics into a convenient package, the O11 Dynamic Evo gives experienced builders complete control over their build, with ample room for gaming-focused components and optional accessories for even deeper customization. Number 4. NZXT H710i Mid-Tower Case. This case features a sleek and minimalistic design with plenty of helpful additions for a clean and easy build. Aside from its signature cable management bar, it also has a SUS shroud and a built-in cable management system at the back. It supports up to an ATX motherboard, multiple 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch storage drives, and 3 dual-slot graphics cards. Alternatively, you can install a single dual-slot graphics card vertically using an optional riser cable. Whether you choose to liquid cool or not, the H710i supports up to 3 120-140mm fans at the front, a 120-140mm fan at the rear, and another 3 120-140mm fans at the top. Thanks to its tempered glass side panel, you can show off your hardware along with any custom LED lighting. This i version of the H710 case includes NZXT's cam-powered smart device, which is a fan and RGB LED lighting control unit, and 2 addressable LED strips. Number 5. Cooler Master Cosmos Black PC Case. The Cosmos Black Edition extends further than its matte black coating, comprised of internal and external improvements to the original. The SUS shroud, flat radiator brackets, fine mesh panels, cable cover system, and an extra rear panel are all included to advance the Cosmos's modular origins. A flat radiator bracket design offers more versatility for liquid cooling, with the ability to be mounted on the top, front, or bottom of the frame. The two included brackets can each support a 420mm radiator. The panels and bars exhibit a pitch black theme. The curved tempered glass possesses a lighter tint in comparison to the original. Builds enjoy a panoramic view through the dual curved tempered glass, utilizing an arsenal of accessories at hand. Raising the bar in the Cosmos C700P Black Edition means more out-of-the-box parts to build an out-of-this-world rig. All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.